This all are my ex-girlfriend, guys. See guys. So many my ex-girlfriend, guys. Actually, today I am vlogging, guys. Today I vlog up. This boy is a handsome boy, guys. Good morning, guys. Today I'm college, guys. Good morning, guys. Today my ex-girlfriend is absent, guys. Today I'm non-virgin.
So sad. So sad.
So sad, guys. So sad.
Damn it.
Today I'm virgin breaking, guys. Today I'm non-virgin, guys. Oh, sorry, guys. Today I'm non-vegetarian. Sorry, guys. Today I'm problem happen, guys. English speaking is problem, guys. Today I'm this boy is number one non-vegetarian. No, I mean non-virgin. This boy. Sorry, guys. My English is little bit ulut, guys. This all are my ex-girlfriend, guys. See guys. So many my ex-girlfriend, guys. Actually, today I am vlogging, guys. Today I vlog up. This boy is a handsome boy, guys. So, guys, today I'm later getting, guys. This one. I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce, guys. What the guys? See, guys. These are all my friends, guys. College friends. These are actually they have so many ex-girlfriends, but I have only 30 ex, guys. Sorry, guys. Playboy is coming, guys. See, this boy is very handsome. Diphu Government College Playboy, guys. What is this, guys? What is this? Sorry, Edwin. We have got this in the dustbin, guys. Sorry. Apologize me my nonsense. Okay.